Hello my friends, welcome back. Today, oh, hi Frankie. Hi Frankie. Okay, after that cute interruption, we are gonna play a little Bob Ross today and do some painting. Now if you remember, I have a bunch of drilled holes in the trunk of my car, and we're gonna use some Pour 15 to seal up any of the rust and corrosion that has already started, and I'm going to use those little silicone plugs to plug the holes in the trunk for now. I don't know if it'll be a permanent fix, but for now it'll work. Luckily the car is black, so those plugs should blend right in. So let's get started. Nice and gentle, see? I'm not gonna sign my name, but I'm gonna go nice and easy with this very thin, precise liner brush and coat all of that rust. We'll let it dry. I'll hit it with another coat. Make sure you have your pinky in the air. That makes you fancy. Because this stuff is kind of expensive, never open your Pour 15 from the top. I recommend you take a self-tapping screw and you just drive that in to one of the corners to keep it nice and sealed. And this way when you have to reuse it again, you don't open that top, risking drying it out. And you could take just as much as you need. Alright guys, so I applied 2 coats of Pour 15. I let it dry overnight, and now I'm going to insert these silicone plugs that I got off of eBay as my fix for these holes in the trunk. Well guys, it worked out a little bit better. I tried to put them in from the inside of the trunk, whereas before I stuck the plugs through the top of the trunk and it didn't look so good. It looks a little bit better now. I think I'll keep it for a while. I'm going to seal the other end with some silicone. I'll do that off camera. I don't have any on hand right now, but let's see how this works out. Hey, welcome back my friends. Today what I'm going to do is something pretty simple, and that's going to be repair one of my side skirts. I'll show you in a minute. Most of the plastic connectors that attach to the body of the car are broken. And so a simple way to fix that is just to use some classic JB Weld. So this is the inside of the driver's side skirt, and it is mounted to the car with these plastic tabs. Now you could see that this is obviously broken and should be attached just like that to the side skirt. This one broke in a different spot. That one's broken, broken, broken. Just about all but one are broken. So I'm first going to clean up the surface with some alcohol, and then we will begin the JB Weld process. We'll get started cleaning up this surface before we apply the JB Weld. Clean up all of these mating surfaces. careful not to do any more damage to these tabs in the process, which they seem extremely delicate. Once your surfaces are nice and clean, we'll let this dry out for a little while, and in the meantime we'll mix up equal parts JB Weld. Just follow the directions that come with it, but I'll show you simply. We'll use a piece of cardboard, and it comes with two different solutions, I guess you could call them, that mix together. So we'll make a nice straight line of these two solutions, making sure that we get equal parts of both. There we go. Okay, that should be enough for us. And just get like a wooden stick or something and make sure both of the two-part solution is thoroughly blended together. We'll get a little bit of that on the paintbrush. I put it on both sides, and we are going to put it under here. Make sure you get a good layer in there, inside and outside. Hold pressure so that this fuses. After you're happy with the amount that you applied, we're just going to tape this down so this way it will cure properly. And that's going to be it, guys, for this repair. So we're going to let this cure for the next 24 hours. We'll check back tomorrow. Hopefully everything is all nicely sealed up, and we saved ourselves getting another side skirt for this rebuild. We taped everything down. I'm going to probably tape it down again just to make sure it's nice and tight. But as you can see, the majority of these tabs were broken. So hopefully this does the trick, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been a few days. I actually let these side skirts cure for maybe 4 or 5 days after using the JB Weld to repair the broken tabs. So let's see how it turned out. So far from feeling them, they feel pretty solid, pretty strong. So hopefully all of them are repaired, and that'll just make the job of the reinstall that much easier. Let's take a look. definitely nice and secure. Yep, nice and solid. All good. They're all good, nice and solid. So I'm gonna call that a success. Definitely saved me from buying a new set of side skirts, having them painted. I'm sure this has happened to a lot of you, as these tabs are really weak, very thin. So just so you know, JB Weld will work on the plastic, and it really secured these tabs very well. If you guys made it to the end of the video, please, you know, I give you a round of applause. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys watched it all the way through. It's these little things that really add up and really help bring the build to completion. I might see if I can source another trunk eventually, but I don't really want to spend the money on a trunk right now, and I'm happy I was able to save that side skirt. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. If you guys learned anything of value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and stay tuned for more as we continue on this rebuild of my Subaru WRX. I can't wait, and I hope you guys are just as excited as me to get this car finished. Thank you guys. See you next time.